Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have new video for you all, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Binance to Skrill. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, the very first thing that you would do is you will access your Binance app on your mobile phone. So right over there, once you have done so, you will be able to find this option of trade just here in the bottom. And once you have tapped on the trade up, then you're going to find all kinds of options you have on top: convert, spot, margin, fiat, p2p, and auto invest. All you have to do is choose p2p first and simply access your option of profile down bottom, and once you have tapped on it, you will be able to find this payment method. Here you're gonna tap on this payment method to change, and now when we choose the p2p, it's gonna show this kind of interface here in this payment method. All you have to do is now tap on this add a payment, and simply go to this search bar on top and type in Skrill and add Skrill as a payment method. Once you have done so, whenever you go to the sales section and whenever you buy or try to sell something, you will be able to receive the money and in the form of Skrill, and you will be able to do the payment as well as in the with the Skrill method. For the matter, all you have to again tap on the sale, and here in the buy fiat, buy crypto, you're going to tap on the select payment method. Here you will be able to use Skrill as one, and you can sell your USDT, or you can even purchase something, and when you get the money, it will be converted into Skrill automatically, so you don't have to send and share anything at all. This is the only way for you to receive your Binance money on the way of Skrill and simply transfer it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.